Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video we're going to solve another digital SAT math question. So let's start reading the question. X squared minus 34x plus 7 plus c is equal to 0. In the given equation, c is a constant. The equation has no real solutions. If c is greater than n, what is the least possible value of n? While you're reading these questions, you might get confused, like there is one variable c and all of a sudden we just ran into another variable n and has no real solutions. So there are lots of things are given. It seems a bit difficult, but it's not a difficult question actually when you know the facts, so you can just easily solve this question. When we are talking about, this is a quadratic equation. For the quadratic equations, we have a one formula. You must all know that, delta. So delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So, and we know the rule. If delta is greater than 0, we have two solutions. If delta is equal to 0, then we have one solution. If delta is less than 0, which is the case for this question, no real solutions, no solution. So we're going to use, for this question, let me take this back. I was gonna put it in a box, accidentally I raised it. So we're going to use this method. Delta is less than 0. And what A, B, C's are, let's determine that as well. In a standard format of a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the coefficient of x squared is a, and in front of the x, the number in front of the x is the b, and the c is the constant. Again, it matches here in this given equation. So in this given question, the value of a is the number in front of the x squared, which is 1, and the value of b is here, negative 34, and the c is c. So let's put in our formula. Delta is equal to b squared minus, so negative 34 in parentheses squared minus 4 times a is 1 and the c is c. This will be less than 0. So rather than doing calculations, even though you're allowed to use your calculator during the exam, I will just try to show you shortcuts to calculate these questions. Negative 34 squared is going to be positive 34 squared. 34 times 34 minus 4c is less than 0. So let's add 4c to both sides. So in this question, this will become, if I will continue over here, this is on the left side, we have 34 times 34 is less than 4 times c. So I can go ahead and divide both sides by 4. I didn't multiply 35 by 34 because I know that I was going to simplify. So this 4 and 4 cancels each other out. Let's use a different pen. So 34 there and 4 are even numbers. 34 divided by 4 is 34 divided by 2 is 17. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And I can simplify this 34 by this 2, then I get 17. And we know that 17 times 17 is easy to calculate. It's 289. 17 squared is 289. Is less than C. But you've been asked to find the n, the value of n. Remember, C is greater than n. C is greater than n. In this case, we have 289 is less than C. If C is greater than n, is also same as n is less than C, right? If you will look at it, what is the least possible value of n? So 289 will be the value for n. So the answer, our answer is 289 for this question. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck on your tests and exams. Have a good one. Thank you.